Have you ever heard of rocks that move on their own? It sounds like something from a sci-fi movie, but it's a real phenomenon happening in one of the most extreme places on Earth, Death Valley, California. For decades, the mystery of the sailing stones on a dry lake bed called Racetrack Playa baffled scientists and visitors alike. Imagine this, a vast, flat, cracked earth landscape, and scattered across it are heavy stones, some weighing hundreds of pounds. Behind them, long, distinct trails are etched into the ground, showing they've moved, sometimes for hundreds of feet. No one had ever seen it happen. How could these massive rocks possibly slide across a dry, flat surface? The theories were wild. Some suggested powerful winds, others proposed magnetic fields, and a few even whispered about alien intervention or supernatural forces. For nearly 70 years, the sailing stones were one of nature's greatest unsolved puzzles. People would set up cameras for months, only to find the rocks had moved while no one was watching. The trails showed twists, turns, and even moments where two rocks seemed to travel together before parting ways. It was completely perplexing. Then, in 2014, the mystery was finally cracked, not by some complex experiment, but by patience and a bit of luck. A team of scientists decided to embed GPS units into several rocks and set up weather stations and time-lapse cameras. They waited for years, and then the perfect conditions aligned. It turns out the answer is a delicate dance of ice, water, and wind. On rare winter nights, a light rain or melting snow covers the playa with a thin layer of water, just a few inches deep. As the temperature plummets, this water freezes into a thin, fragile sheet of window pane ice around the rocks. When the sun rises, the ice begins to melt and break up into large, floating panels. Then, a gentle breeze, just 10 to 15 miles per hour, is enough to push these huge ice sheets. As the ice panels move, they act like miniature bulldozers, slowly and steadily pushing the rocks embedded within them across the muddy floor. The movement is so slow, you'd barely notice it if you were standing right there. It's a beautiful and surprisingly simple solution to a decades-old mystery. So, the sailing stones aren't moved by magic, but by a rare and perfect combination of natural forces. It's a powerful reminder that even in the most desolate places, our planet holds incredible secrets, just waiting for the right moment to be revealed. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey into Death Valley's mystery, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing stories from our world.